Okay, we're gonna practice rounding to the nearest tenths and hundredths. Okay, so let's say I asked you to round 0.456 to the nearest tenth. Well, which one's the tenth place? This one. This one's the tenth place. So then what I do, I'll look at the one before it, the hundredth place. Now it's a 5, so which means it's in between 0.5 and 0.4. And if that's the case, then we always round up. So we round it to 0.5. We round 0.456 to 0.5. Okay, what about 0.361? Round to the nearest hundredths place. Well, where's the hundredths place? That's right here. This is the hundredths place. Then we look at the place before it, which is this. Is the thousandths place. Now, which hundredths is the thousandths closest to? Is it closer to 6? Or is it closer to 7? Well, it's closer to 6. It's closer to 60 than it is to 70. So then this number would be rounded to 0.360. Okay, what about the number 0.780? Round to the nearest tenths. Well, where's the tenths? This is the tenths. Look at the hundredths place. The hundredths place is closer to 0.8 than it is to 0.7. So then this number is rounded to 0.700. What about the number 0.019? Well, we look round to the nearest hundredths. Well, we were to round this in the near hundredths. We look at the hundredths place, look at the one before it, the thousandths place. Is this closer to 0.02 or 0.01? Well, it's closer to 0.02. So then this is 0.020. What about 0.99 rounded to the nearest tenths? Well, 0.09 rounded to the nearest tenths. We look at the tenths place and we look at the one before, which is the hundredths place, and we see, is it closer to the next tenth? Or are we closer to the higher tenths or the lower tenths? So is it closer to 0.9? Or in this case, if we were to add one more, 1. Well, it's closer to 1 right now. Just 1 away from 1. It's 9 away from 0.9. So it's closer to 1. And that's how. What about the number? Let's do one whole with a whole number. No, the whole number, but with a number. What about 12.593? Rounded to the nearest tenths. Well, we look at the tenths place. And we look at the one before it, the hundredths place. Is it closer to 12.6 or is it closer to 12.5? Well, it's closer to 12.6. So this number would become 12.600. We'd round it to 12.60. There you go. That's how you do it. Examples. Great. Good going. Stay cool.